One of the main problems of tuning stability is the slipping peg. Without the following simple and basic maintenance, the musician has to press the peg deeper into the hole to keep the tuning stable. This will eventually cause the peg hole to split open and cause cracks in the peg box. The instrument will then need a major and costly repair. We will need some unwaxed street chalk or grounded violin rosin and some sandpaper with grain 240 to 400. Also, for pegs that are too tight, a waxy substance bought from the music store is available. This problem can be solved very simply. Loosen the string and remove the peg from the hole. Mostly we can see on the peg a shine where the problem of slipping arises. Lightly rub the shining area with a small piece of sandpaper with grain 240 to 400 until the shine has gone. Be careful not to take too much of the wood off, as this may cause the peg to slip even more. Normally one would rub a little chalk onto the place where the peg makes contact with the holes, top and bottom. However, personally, I prefer to use violin bow rosin, which is available in all good music stores. Simply ground the rosin into a fine powder and place it in a small container. The rosin is much stronger than the chalk, so we should apply it sparingly. Make sure the peg is out and the peg holes are horizontal. Dip the end of the peg into the powdered resin. As the peg enters the first hole, make sure the resin falls off the peg onto the edge of the hole. Push the peg further into the instrument. The remaining resin on the peg will be enough for the smaller hole. Tune the string. If the peg is difficult to turn, then take it out and remove some of the resin from the peg with the sandpaper. Repeat this until you are happy. There will be a slight cracking sound whilst tuning the peg. Don't worry, this is the sound of the rosin. When there is a problem with pegs that are too tight and difficult to turn, then there is a substance that one can buy especially for this purpose at a music shop. Apply sparingly, otherwise tuning stability will become difficult.